Now that I have this one dialed in, time to work on this one. I bought this little brushless outrunner motor from Traxxas a while back. I just haven't figured out what I'm going to put it in yet. So I do have a Bronco, and then I have this high trail right here. And I think I'm going to put it in this high trail because it does have the, well, you can't really see it in there, but it does have the 2-speed transmission. And it's got a couple upgrades. Everything else is pretty much stock on it. I need to do a servo update on it, and it definitely needs shocks still. I still got the stock shocks on it. But it's been a good little truck. Definitely noisy. And I'm not sure what gear I'm in right now. Where is the lever? It's been so long as I've messed with it. There we go. What gear is that? Okay, that's the crawling gear there. So that's low. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to install this little outrunner motor right here. Like this actual Traxxas motor and ESC receiver combo. And it should work on the original remote also. So that shouldn't be a problem. But cool, let me get all this swapped out. Got it together. You see the outrunner motor turning right there. I love the way it looks. It's got a good little slow crawl to it. And something else I like about this too, I got it in crawl mode on the ESC. So if you go to nail it, and it'll stop, hit the brakes. But if you're just crawling and go straight to reverse, it goes back directly. So I like how at a certain point you do have brakes. So that'd come in handy when I'm trailing. This thing will be in high gear most of the time. So cool, I'm very happy with this. Now, I don't really have this truck as a crawler. It's more of a trail rig than anything, but having that 2-speed in here and making it brushless now it's got the options. And it does a good job. Like I said, it needs a shock upgrade. And a steering servo too. Then I decided to go ahead and hook up my trailer too. I've got lights going to it, so they work. So let's go find a trail, try this motor out, put it in high gear and see how well it does. Was it worth spending $120 to make that brushless? Eh. I mean, that one right there has got a secure system in it, and it runs 3S, and it's brushless, and it was only $60. And it has a few more features than this one does. I mean, this is a good setup. I'm happy with it, but I can't see myself spending $120 again to do another one. But that's your choice. It depends on what your preference is. Like I said, they're both good little rigs. I'm real happy with this one. I just need to do a few more upgrades like shocks and some other things on it, and I think I'll have that one done. Anyway guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed the video, and y'all be good and take care.